How's it going, everyone? I'm Jason with the Review Suite. In this video, we're taking a look at the Desalvo maker block case for the Raspberry Pi 4. Full disclosure, Desalvo did send me this case to review. I'm not affiliated nor sponsored by Desalvo Systems. With that said, let's get into the video. Previously, I reviewed the original Desalvo Pi 4 case, and I was really impressed with the design. The case is all aluminum and makes contact with the Pi for passive cooling. The Maker Block case offers similar features as the original with some nice improvements. The Maker Block case fits all Raspberry Pi 4 models. Like the original Desalvo case, it's fully CNC machined from 6061 aerospace aluminum. As stated on the Desalvo website, this case is made with the maker in mind. The Maker Block case has a more rectangular design. It has a flat top with holes for mounting peripherals and passive cooling. In total, there are 46 holes on the Maker Block case. It's also stackable, so if you want to assemble a cluster of Pi 4s, you have that option. There's also improved access to the SD card slot. The Maker Block case comes with an Allen wrench for assembly, 4 stick-on feet, 4 socket head cap screws, 4 Phillips head screws to attach the board internally, a piece of thermal interface for the 2GB Pi 4, and thermal compound. I've already put the feet on so it won't scratch my desk. From here, we're going to secure the Pi 4 to the bottom half of the case. The I/O cutout for the Maker Block are spot on. You really have to appreciate the precision here. You can use a thermal pad with this case, but you will have to apply some pressure to secure the top half of the case. With the thermal paste applied, I'm going to go ahead and attach the top half of the case. So here's the final look of the Maker Block fully assembled. I really like the look of the Maker Block case over the original. The entire assembly weighs about 298 grams. As for cooling, the Maker Block case works well. I'm not going to stress test the Pi simply because I do not have a capture card to clearly show you results, but as you would expect, the Maker Block does get very warm to the touch. From a cold boot, the CPU temperature idled around 31 to 33 degrees Celsius. What I appreciate most about Desalvo cases is the build quality. I mean, it is just fantastic. I feel assured that my Pi 4 will be adequately cooled and protected with this case. Both the original and Maker Block case retail for $49.99. Now, at that price point, I'm going to go for the Maker Block case all day long. If you're not going to build a cluster of Raspberry Pi 4s and you want something a little bit more slimmed down, you should go for the original Desalvo case. But you're going to get the premium protection and passive cooling with the original case. But my money is going towards the new Maker Block case because it looks awesome. You have more cutouts for ventilation. And if you want to add peripherals, you have that option. But that's going to do it for this video. If you want to pick up one of the Maker Block cases, links will be in the description box. And if you want to see more of my Raspberry Pi 4 content, check out the playlist on screen. Once again, big thanks to Desalvo Systems for sending us this case for this hands-on video. We really appreciate it. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you on the next one.